Rod. So as far as our learning aids go, we did a couple different things for putting, and the reason that I chose to keep it putting heavy with the learning aids and the teaching aids is just because I feel like there's so many different ways that you can teach putting, and everybody kind of has a unique putting stroke, and it's kind of cool to experiment with that. So just a couple that we did. We used the gate drill, which is just putting the two tees on the side of the outsides of the club head and working on getting the path straighter towards the hole and not closing or opening the club face at all, because if you have any of those issues, you'll notice it with the tee on either side. Whichever one you're hitting will give you a clear indicator. So I really like that one because it's a really, like you said, eye-opening drill. And then we also used the just a chalk line. So we just used a ruler and a water-based paint, and we just wrote on the ground to get a line on the ground to give us an idea within 3 feet of the starting line and the whole line that the putt needs to take, basically. And so we worked on that a little bit with our putting, and we also worked with this tool here just to work on hitting putts down the line better. Just because we had you opening up the face, I'm sorry, shutting down the face at the end of the stroke. So we worked on that, which is just a tool that really works on keeping the path down a specific line. And that one's more of just a feel, so that you could feel what that stroke is supposed to feel like. And you can use that a couple times and then hit a normal putt and just kind of judge how well the stroke is compared to what it's supposed to be like and work on it. And hopefully soon you won't have to use the training aid at all. You'll be able to do it without it. So that's the goal for all of these. We just really want you to use the learning aids, but you don't need to become dependent on them. So we don't want you to have to rely on them on the course because we can't use them out there. So that's just some of what we did for our teaching aids, and hopefully we can get you to use those in your practice and really help lower some scores.
Cool. Thanks.